Welcome to another edition of The Shape of the Cape. Here you are with your host Jules Cape on the South Cape coast of Africa, and another beautiful treasure resort for holiday makers from all over the world. This is called Knysna Heads. Knysna is also in the heart of the garden route. It's a beautiful holiday location, and the heads are the point where the Knysna estuary meets the Indian Ocean as the Indian Ocean flows into the Knysna region. This is absolutely exquisite. We're at one of the interesting lookout points at the Knysna Heads now. As you can see, it's the home of millionaires who choose to enjoy this beautiful location and the view. It's a slightly misty morning. The mist is lifting now, and as you can see, it's a paradise here on the garden route on the South Cape coast of Africa. One can drive down to this little beach, and many tourists from all over the world visit this area. So I'm going to show you some of the beautiful sights that you have here, including some of the caves at the Knysna Heads. It's a prime tourist location for anyone who wishes to visit and explore the African south coast. Knysna is one of the upmarket tourist destinations, which I'm sure you will appreciate if you ever get the chance to come and try these beautiful attractions here. They're definitely a unique environment. It adds tremendous beauty. I'm hoping you can get a chance to pop in and spend some of your time here in this beautiful, peaceful, remote space. Well, until next time, when we explore other beautiful treasure resorts on the South Cape coast of Africa, this is your host, Jules Cape, signing out.